Hi guys, you're welcome to another week of the 12 weeks challenge with the Korean Food Promotion Institute, and today we're going to be preparing Kimchijeon, which is an easy food. It's kimchi pancake. So let's see what we have inside our carton here. Okay, because it's an easy recipe, it doesn't need so many ingredients. So we can see we have kimchi, which is the main ingredient. We also have some gochugaru, that's the red pepper flakes. It's not too hot. We have another gochugaru here. Then we have the pan frying powder, that's the Korean pancake mix. We have white sugar. And we have some white vinegar. We also have some soy sauce, which is about 14 grams. We have 2 of them. And we have a measuring cup. So now let's get straight to preparing our Kimchijeon. So guys, we have our bowl here, which we're going to use for mixing. So first of all, we're adding our green onions. It is optional, we just said to add ours. It's not compulsory, it's just for color and flavor. Then our pancake mix. Here we're going to be mixing that inside the bowl. We're just going to add half cup of cold water, and we're going to stir that together. You have to mix that together to avoid lumps. So what we have here is 3 grams. That's 1.5 grams each of the gochugaru. We're just going to mix that together. Now we're going to add our kimchi, and we're not going to be removing the liquid. We're going to add both the liquid and the kimchi itself. We can see that the kimchi has its own liquid as the juice, and we're just going to dump everything. Oh wow, it looks yummy. So we're going to be adding our green onions, and we're just going to mix that together. Can you see how colorful it looks already? So here we have our paste. So we're going to add some vegetable oil in a non-stick pan. And we're going to leave it to get hot for a bit and just put about a scoop or 2, depending on how flat or how thick you want it to be. Just spread it around. And be careful so it doesn't burn. So we can see the other side is brown, so we're just going to flip it over so that the other side can also cook. You have to be careful, guys. So I'm using 2 spatulas because I don't want it to spill over. Perfect. It's not too burnt, or it's not even burnt at all. You can see the green onions and everything looking all sumptuous and yummy. So we're just going to repeat the process again. Just try to move it around a bit, and then when the back is a bit brown, you just flip it over. Oh yeah, this time I used only 1 spatula. I'm getting used to it already. So guys, the other side is brown, so that means our pancake is ready. So guys, we have our pancakes. So we can see it looks so perfect, and it's actually very nutritious, and you're going to eat it with its own mixture, like a sauce like, but I really call it a sauce with vinegar and soy sauce mixture. So let's just make that. We have our soy sauce here, and we're going to mix in our white vinegar and also some sugar, and we're just going to mix that together. Guys, this mixture is called chogangjang. This is used for eating the pancake. So guys, here we have our pancake and our chogangjang, and this is a very nutritional meal, and it actually tastes really nice. So you guys need to try this at home. Take care guys, bye.